welcome to my channel. Just wanted to share how to make some quick, easy caramel cookies. We're going to get started with some break and bakes and add some deliciousness to make them extra yummy. Go ahead and heat the oven to 350 per the instructions on the packet. I'm going to use parchment paper. I use parchment paper for all of my cookies. Just makes cleanup extra easy. Here's a close-up of the ingredients I used. My husband calls these cookies just can't shares because they are so good you just don't want to share them. Okay, I'm going to start by pouring in some white chocolate chips into a bowl. And add the caramel chocolate chips to the bowl. Just mix those up. And then take the sugar cookies, open up the packet. This packet makes 24 cookies, but I like to take 2 of the prepackaged cookies, squish them together, press them into the bowl of yummy chocolate chips, caramel chips, and kind of just mush them together to make it look like a little ball. This particular combination of ingredients is a new one for our family, but in the past I've added extra chocolate chips and pecans and walnuts to the chocolate chip break and bake cookies to make them extra yummy. You could also add Reese's Pieces and peanut butter chips to break and bake peanut butter cookies. You could also add toffee bits and rainbow sprinkles, really anything to make them your own combination. I actually only cook 9 at a time. You can see some are left in the package and I still have some chips left. I can do those on a different sheet. I like to give them enough room since they are bigger. Go ahead and put these in the oven and set the timer for 10 minutes per the instructions on the packet. Okay, those are in the oven. I'll show you what they look like when they come out. Okay, here's the finished product. I actually cooked them for 13 minutes because they are bigger. I do like to leave them on the cookie sheet to finish cooking, set up, and cool before we get into them. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below.